First position. Gusto Diaz, basket. Second chance, basket po. Nice cut to Homeres. Uy, wala, rebound Diaz. Play. Wala. Boss Danilo. Op. Gonzales. To estimate. Boss Danilo. Corner 2. Wala po. Rebound. Uy, Kong. Basket. Ramirez. Tuboy. Boss Dan. Stealing. Tumikal. Basket. Constantino to Diaz. Pull up. Wala. Rebound. His teammate. Basket yan. Gonzales. Uy. Turnover. Ramirez. Dribbling the ball. Coast to coast. To the basket. Rebound. Constantino. First one in and out. Basket. Bus Pompom. Tobus Dan. Plain block. Ikong. Wala. Diaz. Turnover. Step back, basket. Constantino driving, malakas. Busdan the rebound. Uy, turnover. Homeres. Coast to the basket. Ikong to his teammate. 4-3 basket. Constantino. Step back, basket. Buspom to Gonzales. Basket yan, mga idol. Ramirez to Constantino. Pull up to. In and out, wala. Ikong. Step back. Ramirez looking to. Wala. Boss Danilo. Number 3. To Gonzales. Ikong. In and out. Wala. Ramirez. Left-handed shot. Wala. Rebound. Wala pa rin. Ramirez, turn. Ikong easy basket. Turnover again. Tubos Danilo. In and out. Bus Pompom. 4-3 fall down. Tubos Dan. Follow up by Bus Danilo. Ramirez 4-3 basket. Bus Danilo. To Ramirez, number 45. First one, airball. Second throw, wala pa rin. Gonzales for 2 points. Rebound his teammate. Pull up to basket. Dia Constantine for 3. Wala. Busdan. Basket yan. Diaz. To Gaspar. Basket. For triple. Rebound, Boss Danilo. Pull up to. Basket yan by Boss Danilo. Gasparto. Humeres for triple. Uy, wala po. Opa. Gonzales to Boss Danilo. Pull up to. Uy, another chance. Wala pa rin. Diaz. Gonzales to Boss Danilo. So Gonzales to Escoto. Gonzales for triple. Uy, wala. Constantino for triple downtown basket. Hutong for triple. Wala talaga. Ramirez, number 45. Attacking. Wala po. Play to play. Escoto. Tubos Danilo. Basket. Sige. Constantino. Again. For triple. Wala po. Stemet. For two. Wala. Homeres, number 45. Wala. Kunditon. Gonzales again. Basket na yan, mga idol. Constantino. Uy, wrong pass. Boss Danilo to estimate. Pull up to. Wala pa rin. Albero. Op, wrong pass. Ikong. Board 2-point basket. Homeres again. Attacking Escoto. Basket. Boss Danilo to estimate. Looking up to Gonzales for triple again. Basket yan, mga idol. Game over.